sometimes that may be your given information. So in this case, this is our given information. Then I'm going to highlight my find. My find is, how can you express the number of students in favor of a new mascot in decimal form? First, we need to write this as a fraction. It says, in a class of 18 students, 5 voted to change their mascot. Now, when we write fractions, you have to make sure you put your total or your whole in the denominator. So 18, that's the total of the number of students in the class. So that will go in our denominator. Then we have 5 that voted to change the mascot. So we put that in the numerator. That's our part. Now remember, when we go from fraction to decimal, we have to do standard long division. Drop the top number in. So it'll be 5 divided by 18. Alright, so now we need to figure out how many times 18 go into 5. Now 18 goes into 5 0 times, so I add a 0 and then a decimal point. Now I need to add a 0 to 5 to make it 50. 18 goes into 50 2 times. 18 times 2 is 36. 50 minus 36 is 14. Now I need to bring down 0. 18 goes into 147 times, and 18 times 7 is 126. I'm going to regroup, change that to 3. Now 140 minus 126 is 14. Then I'm going to bring down a 0, and then 18 goes into 147 times. That's 126. I have a remainder of 14. Now notice, I keep getting a remainder of 14. So that means it's a repeating decimal. Now, with repeating decimals, I want you to continue going through this whole process of dividing until you see the pattern twice. Notice this 7 occurred twice. Once you see the pattern occur twice, then you can stop. So we know 5 over 18 is equivalent to this. Now we can add this line over the 7. Now some people refer to it as a repeating bar. It is called a vinculum.